Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. So before we get started, please do hit the like and subscribe button. So first, go to Google Tag Manager. Create your account and make sure to fill in all of the necessary information such as your account name and country and the address to your website. Now, in case you did not know, to access your website's address, simply go to your Shopify account and copy the link. Then, select your target platform. Scroll down and accept the terms and conditions and press Yes. Now, copy the code that appears on your window. Go to your online store, click on the three dots and select Edit Code. Now you'd want to proceed to theme.liquid. Afterwards, just paste the code after the meta section right here by simply pressing enter, then copy and paste the code. Okay, so once you're all set with the first code, go back and copy the second code. And then go back again to Shopify account and press Ctrl F to find the body operation. Type in body. Then right below this operation, add the code you had just copied. Once done, click Save and go back to Google Tag Manager. Press OK and click Submit. Fill up the necessary information and then click Publish. Now, you have successfully installed Google Tag Manager on Shopify. I hope this video was able to help you out. Thanks for watching.